Officially, Samsung has said that the UI 7 update that was put on hold will shortly resume. The Galaxy S24 series will soon get a new version named BYD9, according to a reliable leaker. However, since it is currently undergoing internal testing, the final update for users may change somewhat depending on the nation or area. Tarun shared the Galaxy S24 on his X account as well. On the server, a fresh UI 7 stable build has been posted. Bid 9, BYCG. No specific details have been provided on when or if this version will be released, however a recent build indicates that issues have been resolved. Samsung has already announced that the OneUI 7 update will be available to customers later today. A moderator from Samsung's Korean community issued a statement acknowledging the issue and apologizing for any inconvenience. Galaxy S4 phones with the Exynos 2400 processor were the most afflicted by the issue. Phones sometimes might freeze up at random. Samsung claims that their inspections are almost complete. To address the issue and improve the situation, they are preparing to release a minor update known as the hapfix. The Galaxy S24 series, Z Flip 6, and Fold 6 phones will get this patched version first. Users in South Korea, Europe, and the US will be the first to get the update. Soon, other parts of Asia, including India, will get it as well. It is advisable for users to monitor their phones for notifications of updates. The first UI 7 update has finally arrived. However, you should be aware of one crucial fact before proceeding with the installation. They are genuine, those green lines that appear on your screen at random, and they often follow a software update. Following the OneUI 7 beta update for the Galaxy S22 and 23 series, some customers are complaining of a green line issue on their screens, as shown in this tweet. I'm hoping Samsung fixes this quickly. You may be wondering why that even occurs. Your phone may become rather hot when doing the update, it turns out. The little flex wires that link your display to the motherboard may also sustain damage as a result. The lines appear on your screen as soon as such wires are damaged. If your phone is charging while the update is happening, it becomes much worse. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.